Hello students, today we are going to learn second year topic uh, electric charges and fields. Electric charges and fields. This is very important lesson to understand the basic concept of complete second years. In the second year we are going to learn complete electric field, magnetic field and electromagnetic field. Like this process, complete lessons always depends on this lesson. This lesson always plays major role for second years. This lesson always plays major role for second years. Electro charges and field. Electric charges and fields. Electric charges and fields deals with charges completely. What is a charge? How the charge is developed? Why charge always giving some force? This we need to understand first of all. The basic examples I need to understand. The basic example of charge, how the charge is developed in the nature. Generally, in a rainy session, we can see that thunderstorms, like in the sky, that the thunderstorms are possible to develop the spark. While the thunderstorm are doing or like coming, the spark will comes, like light will comes. That light means the discharging of electrons. The discharging of electrons gives the light to in the sky. The thunderstorms are giving like this. Of course we don't need sound, but how the electrons are discharging, why it is discharging, we need this. So before that, this is very basic examples, and daily example I can say that you may do in your home also. For suppose if you taking one comb, that comb may be using like for setting our crop. After a few seconds doing like that, before that take a paper strip, piece of paper, small papers pieces. That paper piece is placed on table, and after using the comb frequently for few seconds, and immediately go to the comb towards the paper strips. Definitely these papers will be attracted to the comb. This is a basic nature. This is a basic example to give the what is electric charge, what is charge, how it is attracting, which means while you are doing like this, the comb becomes charged material, and this is a neutral pieces, there is no charge. Immediately it will be attracted to the material, immediately it will attracted to the comb. So the basic definition we need to understand. Again and again I am telling charge. What is charge? So we need to understand charge. Okay, charge means it is a property of matter, which can produce electric field and magnetic field. Charge is a property of matter, which means always every charge carries mass. Every mass cannot have charge, but every charge should be have mass. Without mass there is no charge. So charge is a property of matter which can produce electric field and magnetic field. In this lesson, completely we are going to discuss about electric field, which means when the charge is rest position, that rest position of charges properties we need to understand, and we are going to learn about electric field, only electric field. When the magnetic field is developed means whenever the charge is moving in the wire or somewhere material, definitely there is a magnetic field is developed. This we will learn later. But first of all, we need to understand, or we have to understand electric field. Okay. In this lesson, electrostatic. We may call for this lesson name electrostatic also. It is one of the lesson name. Electrostatic means when charge is rest position. This is called electrostatic. The name of static will gives charge should be rest. When the charge is rest, the properties of charge we are going to study. That properties we can call electrostatic. Electrostatic. This is the basic about charge and electrostatic. How the electrification is going to? How the electrification is going? We have to understand electrification. Electrification means the process of giving charges to the body. The process of giving charges to the body. This process of charges giving to the body is called electrification. Electrification means some of charges will gives to the body and the metal or the substance becomes charged, or some of electrons will take out from this. This is called electrification. Again and again I am telling you charge. What is a charge? How it is developed means always charges are developed from atoms. Every material or every substance made by crores of molecules or cores of atoms, number of atoms, which means every metal carries atom. In the atom we know that every atom carries electrons. Already we know in a chemistry. Atom means every atom carries number of electrons and number of electrons revolving around the different orbits, revolving around the nucleus, different orbits. That's why this atom, always every atom carries electrons. Again in the atom, if atom is stable or equilibrium position, which means that the number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charges. That's why the atom is become stable position. Atom is nothing but number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charges. Whenever if you take out any charge from the metal or subatom, any electron or atom, then whenever it lost the electron, for suppose I am taking one example, hydrogen atom. Okay, hydrogen atom means hydrogen atomic number is 1. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, which means in the atom carries only one electron. If it is lost one electron, it becomes H plus, means it loses one electron. Now the atom position has been changed, which means it is a H plus 2. It loses electron, plus gives loses electron. Now the process of atom, number of positive is equal to number of negative. Here it is not equal. That is why this is the charged atom. We can say that charged atom. This needs some electrons. This needs to attract some others. That's why immediately it is going to react with H plus. For suppose again it reacted with Cl minus. For suppose example I am taking, again it becomes HCl. Okay, this is basic example I am telling you, which means atom means you have to understand number of positive charges is equal to number of negative charges. At that time only atoms become neutral position. Okay, now this is electrification. How? Electrification means process of giving charge to the body, then the body will be charged. This is a process. How the charges are giving, how it is causing. Different types of charges we have, different types of method, how it is electrification process is going. Different methods we have, but we'll discuss only one method, by charging by friction. Charging by friction. Charging by friction. Charging by friction means this charging by friction. Already friction means two physical quantities should be rubbed like this. Two physical quantities should be rubbed like this. Definitely the frictional force is developed between the two layers, two surfaces. So charged by friction means, the basic example I am taking two glass rods I am taking. These two glass rods are rubbed with silk cloth. Okay na? Rubbed with silk cloth. After you doing few seconds with silk cloth, the material or the rod will becomes charged. Okay, for few seconds we doing like this. Again this rod also doing same process. The two rods become positively or charged, whatever positive or negative we don't know, but the silk cloth, by using of silk cloth, it becomes charged. So same process, charging by friction, which means two glass rods are taking like this, and after charged two glass rods, whenever you are taking two closer to each other, definitely these two rods will be repulsive, because already this one charged by same material, this one charged by same material, which means it will be repulsive. Or we know that all like charges or all same charges will be repulsed. Okay, all negative, all unlike charges, whether it is positive, either it is negative, definitely they will be attract each other. But I did with only silk rod with the same glass. Okay, silk cloth with the same rod. So that's why two rods will be negative. First, suppose if you take same one rod has been done with a silk cloth, next to take wool, wool, cotton, take closer to the rod, definitely it will attract, because this all wool will has neutral, but glass rod has been charged, definitely it will be attracted towards the glass rod. This is a basic example of charging by friction. Charging by friction. The charging by friction is very basic concepts to understand how the metals are charging and how it is possible to understand this one. Next, for this case, next one we have to understand different kind of materials we have in the nature. First of all, we need to understand only two things, which is conductors and insulators. Of course, we have semiconductors also, but we need not now. We need only two things. One is conductors and insulators. What is conductors and what is insulators? We know this is basic things. From since school onwards, we are studying only. Conductors means which material or which substance can flow electrons throughout the material or throughout the substance. This is called conductors. Passing electrons into the material is called conductors. This cannot allow electrons into the metal substance. Okay, now which metals or which substance cannot allow electrons into the substance, that kind of substance we can call insulators. Okay, insulators. Conductors means passing electrons or allowing electrons into the material. Next to insulators means the electrons cannot allow into the material. Okay, this is basic things to understand. Basic definitions, conductor and insulators. Next one, by using of conductors giving electrons to the conductor, what will happen? We'll see. The inducing process, charging by inducing process, we can call induction, which means this is very basic things. These all things are basic things. Now I am telling only what about basics about electrostatics and fields. Charging by induction. Charging by induction means, best example I am taking one of charged rod, only one of charged rod, one type of charged rod, which is, for suppose I am taking only positively charged rod. This is I am taking. Again, one more sphere, neutral sphere. This is metal also, this one also metal. This sphere I am taking, and this sphere made by like this one stand. Again, this is one of the neutral sphere. Neutral sphere means always in the atom we have plus minus. Every plus minus are randomly having like this. Okay, randomly having like this, which means it is a neutral body. We cannot induce or we cannot giving charge. Now I am taking this only positively charged rod towards the sphere. Towards the sphere means, which means, for suppose I am taking closer to the sphere. This is the place always is always charged by positively. Next, this one sphere of, now what will happen, tell me? Again these are randomly fixed now, plus minus randomly fixed. Whenever the place is moving towards the sphere, this become again minus or attracted to the place. Before I told you, all unlike charges, plus and minus are unlike charges. Plus and minus unlike charges, that's why they will attract each other. But plus also in the sphere we have now, that's why the places are making like this, are moving away from the rod. For this rod, the places are moving away and minus will towards the rod. This is attraction process. So this is basic thing. Only place rod moving towards this one, minus will comes like this, and place repulsive, that's why this move away. Okay, this one. For suppose same in this process, again I am connected to this rod to the ground. To the ground means ground have number of electrons and positive charges and negative charges. How much positive we need, thus much of positive will gives to the sphere, and how much negative means thus much of charges will gives to the sphere. Number of charges will gives and takes. So in this process, here it is a place now. Immediately the negative charges moves towards the sphere. Okay, moves towards the sphere. If it is moves towards the sphere, the plus to minus again it becomes neutral. Are you following? The plus to minus again it become neutral, which means again immediately the diagram becomes like this. See, observe it. Same rod. This was induced like this, and this was induced like this. And one of the sphere I am taking. This one is like this. Now the minus charges are having like this, minus charges, because plus minus will attract you. What about these plus charges? Already gone, because this was connected to the earth now. This was connected to the earth, that's why all plus minus will become, this all part will become neutralization. There is no charge. Of course there is a charges, but this become neutral. Plus minus become neutral. Only we have negative charge. Now if I remove this rod away, then immediately how it is forms, which means if I remove this one, the diagram becomes like this. You know, only negative charges are having like this, minus. Only negative charges we have. If it is take same experiment for negative charges, okay, for some negative charges I am taking again rod having negative charges like this, again this sphere, again this sphere carries plus minus, we know, plus minus. Whenever it negative charge moving towards the closer to the or kept to at place of nearest to sphere, again it becomes like this, negative charges na, that's why it become again all plus will towards the negative, all plus charges will towards the negative, and all negative charges moves away from the negative charges. All negative repulsive, negative plus all attractive. So that's why negative again moves away. Again if you connect it to the earth, next immediately the positive charge moves towards the negative side. It becomes again neutral. The final diagram of induced sphere becomes like this. All negative charges are having in this place. All negative charges are having in this place. Positive charges. Just now I take the diagram positive now. That's why all positive charge become like this, because all negative charges less with grounded or neutralized. But here only negative positive charge. This is positively charged metal substance, or we can call it substance. Okay, one more diagram also we draw this. One of the diagram, this one. One of the diagram, this one is all negative charge particles. Na? First diagram, this is called negative charged body. Which means by using of charging rod, we induced one rod, we induced one sphere. This is negative charged induced body, positive charged induced sphere, like these particles. We can made it different kind of matrices. What we need, if we need negative, we do like this. If we need positive, we did like this. Same process. This is a charging by induction. Okay, charging by induction. So this is basic example. Again by using of induction, we did like this one example only. We can